Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir. Good morning.
Okay,
Good
yes.
morning, sir.
And I hope that not all, again, mute it. Somebody's mic is making noise.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Ma, very good. Good morning, ma'am. Yes, good morning, ma'am. Yes, okay. So I hope majority of you have written the test. Okay, and the test there is a what is that one question one this one is different, answer is different. It's okay, no problem of the automatic problem of mobile. Okay, because it is automatically correct by the what is that mobile. Okay, teach me that. So it's okay, don't bother about that test and all. Yes, if the what is the diamond is correct, on the second diamond is correct, both diamonds are same. Okay, so it's okay, don't worry about that test. And not only that one, some anything happen in that class, okay, just you text me, I can understand. And I will do in the regular one, because computer we cannot change your answer. I cannot manipulate, or not manipulate, I cannot change it. Yes, so I will do. So I hope good you have attended the test. Okay, continue after this chapter. Each chapter you will have the test. Okay, and your first test is coming. First test is coming. Okay, so you have only two chapters, the first chapter and only this Java's this chapter only, fifth chapter. Okay, so first and fifth chapter. Yes, and if you have any mistake in that one also, you just see. Okay, one and first chapter and sorry, fifth, fourth and fifth chapter. Sorry. Okay, you have, it is for sixth standard. Okay, so you have for the first test, the portion of computer is fourth and fifth chapter, fourth and fifth. Okay, clear? Yes. And yes, that's over. And one more thing I will say, then I will go to the class. Monthly test, I don't know, you will get, I also don't know when it is. Yes. Then next point, suppose you want to change, only 44 members are there. Okay, those who know listen later also, please understand. If suppose this number, you are using one number, mobile number already you registered. Okay, then tomorrow I want another number. Okay, please because don't do such things. What will happen if you register with a new number? Means for us it is considered as new student. Okay, and what will happen in that number, if you install in the teach me app last month, okay, what we have sent the videos and materials and everything will erase everything from, because that is for that number. Now we have changed it to new number, means that in the new number you will not get the older teaching materials or classes, everything, nothing. You are like a new. So what you have to do, if you have another number, okay, we are using this number. Now you are using this number, but you want now this number, means no problem. Here one device is there, no. So what you have to do, this number, okay, this number, number A, yes, this number A have to put in the teachment of B, this mobile. And OTP will come, where the OTP will come? In this number A. Then that OTP you type in the B, this mobile. So what will happen? You can use another mobile. Yes, you can use here also, you can get it that one. So you will get all the previous classes of all subjects. No need of enrolling, calling, and so miss, I registered a new number, please enroll. No need. If you do this method, okay, put it the old number in the new device, and OTP will come, put in the new device, access, everything will get like an old one. Please take as a information, and you do like this for you, and as your friends, somebody is asking, do the same method. Okay, you know, but you help others also, anybody is asking. So with that, I'm stopping of the introduction, and we will go to the chapter 5, introduction to Java. Last class we have seen what is Java. Java is a program, high level language. Okay, computer cannot understand the Java, so computer can understand only one language, that is machine language. Machine language. So what are the characters in machine languages? Zeros and ones. Okay, then that we have seen, and some features of BlueJ, how to download and install in laptop and PC, not in mobile. Yes. Next we will see the object. Okay, what is object and classes in Java? What are the objects and what is that classes in Java? So I will share. Yes, I will share my screen. Yes. Okay, I hope you can see. Yes, you can see it. Correct now? Can you see my sharing screen share?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
sorry.
Yes,
Yes, we
sir.
will. Yes. Okay, what is an object? What is an object? Yes. So object
Yes, sir.
as is the okay, yes, object. Objects are the real world entities of items. Okay, the real things. Object means like a table, chair, box, or a computer, laptop is a real object. That is called real world entities or items. Okay, it can be either non-living entities such as pen, book, table, chair, then what else? Car, scooter, calculator, phone, and computer, etc. And non-living, okay, living entities, living things like dog, cat, and plant, etc. So these are the living things and so these all are object only. Some are living things, some are non-living things. And what about us human beings? That is there. Every individual, that means human beings, can also be considered as an object. Human being also one object. Okay, consider computer is considered as okay. Real world objects have two characteristics. Two. What are they? They all have state and behavior. State means not Karnataka state and Tamil Nadu state or Andhra. No. State means a physical presence. Okay, state and behavior. Then example. What is example? See the same example. It is there in the textbook. Okay, you can see that one. A pen is an object has its state such as brand name, model, color, price, etc. Okay, the same. I am not taking anything extra. Okay, it is from your textbook only. You can refer the textbook also, or you can watch the mobile also. No problem. Yes. Okay, these all are, and it has behavior, function. Yes. What is a function of pen? Writing. Is it reading? No. Okay. Then you will ask only for writing. You can draw. Yes. That is another function. You can draw. That is the behavior of the pen. Yes. And what are the state or objects? State means yes. The name, color, model, price, everything. So that is called object, state, and behavior. Then, likewise, consider the example of a car. Okay, consider the example of car. What else? When we describe a car as an object, there are number of physical factors which contribute to define its state, such as its brand name, color, speed, size, number of seats, etc. Correct? So it's we take about the car. An example, there are physical factors that is called state. Okay, physical factors, state, like a name, color, speed, size. Okay, OD car, and it's a size and it's a seats, everything. Yes, that is state. Then, in addition, the car has several functional definitions also. Functions. Okay, what are the function of car? It to transport people to different locations by controlling its speed and direction. An accelerator it to increase or decrease its speed and brakes to stop it. Correct, no? This is a general. If take all the cars, it is similar. We take a car and there are many objects. Okay, it's a states. There may be four-wheelers and there is an accelerator, brake. Yes, clutch may not be there. Okay, so then gearbox, that was optional. Yes, gearless cars are there. And seats. So these all are general states. Okay, state of a car. These functions directly control the car's data, that is the direction and position and the speed. Correct? No? Yes. Then while traveling in a car, we need not know how these operands work. Example, you are riding the cycle, okay, or you are riding the what is that, running the bike. Do you know what is the function of engine? If you know the function of engine, then only you can ride the car or bike. No, it is not compulsory. Correct? No, it is not compulsory that you should know all the functions. Okay, that is written there. We need not know how these operations work. Okay, there are many objects. Everything you don't want to know. Then what else? To stop the car, for example, we just press the brake pedal. Okay, but we may not know how the pedal stops the car. The function we don't know. What's the function of pedal? We just know that it works. That's all. Before starting your bike, okay, then you will check. It is working. Brake is working, or light is working. Correct? No, only that much you will see. How the brake is working, how the light is working. That not it is not necessary to understand. Yes, all these functions are and data work together to define the object of car. Accelerator or then pedal, steering. Okay, so these all will work together. Then you say, yeah, these are objects of car. Yes, if there is an example, what I say, what is it? Car, what is that? In cycle, there is a bell. If we fix the bell in the car, no, we will say it is not a car, we will say. Okay, that is written there. All these functions and data works together to find the object of car. Then these functions work the same way for almost all the car, of course, but not for any other object like what television, a washing machine, or a refrigerator, etc. The function of car is okay. The objects in the car is same like a TV, and the function of TV it is like a refrigerator or a washing machine. No, so object for different one is different, or sorry, the state for different objects are different. Okay, it is not. It may be similar but not the same. Then one more example to show that you can understand. This clearly depict the state determines the properties, appearance, and other qualities of the object, whereas the behavior describe what the object does. Okay, that is, it determines the possible operations and the object can perform. One example I will say. Okay, I hope you all are listening me. Okay, you
Yes,
are
sir.
listening me. Yes, okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Suppose, yes, it is
Yes, sir.
recording. Hey, I will record. If you're not there, please type. That's all. Okay, going on typing that. Yes. Okay, so as we told, human being also one object. That means I am an object. Yes, and if I am an object, so what are the state and behavior of this object? What is the state? Yeah, small hair. Yes, and black in color. Yes, and gap in the teeth. Okay, or mustache, or wearing this dress. Okay, so this is my state, physical things of this object, Mr. Lijo. Then what are the behavior or function? What are the behavior and function? Okay, behavior or function of this object? Yes, teaching you, because I am a teacher, so I'm teaching you. Okay, and what else is there? Then I am playing something, so I am operating computer. That's a function of this object. I am doing some function. Got it? What is state and behavior of any object? Any object, including me or whatever it is. Yes, an object. Okay, this is object, one object, and it's a state. State means white in color, and this one and that one, so many things. And this Windows software, and what else? This application, camera is the state. What is a function? You can play game. First important, you can play game. You can use calculator, phone call. These are the function of this object. Behavior, function. Clear the state and behavior or function? Yes. Okay. Again, I will share the next point. Yes. What is the next point? Okay, software also, yeah. Now software objects also have a state and behavior, same as I told in the mobile. Yes, software. What is that? The software object maintains its state in variables and implements its behavior through methods. Example again, in the computer, suppose Lijasar is a computer. What is the state, or it is called variable? Okay, in computer we say variable. What are the variables of Lijasar? Yes, again, short hair, black in color, a gap in the teeth, and this much height, this much length. So these are the variables if you talk in a computer language. Okay, so these are the variable of this Mr. Lijo computer. Okay, then what are the behavior of this one? Same, the functions of that one. Okay, then the features of object-oriented programming help us to organize the program code elegantly by dividing into many manageable things, okay, which are easy to understand and implement. Very easy to understand, it will divide in computer. We will see slowly. Similarly, each object contains its own set of variables, which, okay, to store data and exposes its behavior through methods. Okay, that is called function. Through method is also called function. Simple example, Mr. Lijo is a object, and state variable, state or variable is called as the long hair, short hair and all. But is there any possible to change this short hair? Possible. That is, it is called so a variable. Vary. What is the meaning of vary? What is the meaning of vary? VARY. Vary means change. Vary means change. So yes, is it possible to change my hair? Sure, I can grow long hair like a girl's. Hi. Or I can shave my head, make bald headed. Okay, so bald headed also you can make. So variable, yes, that is called in computer or software, we call the state as variable. It will change. Okay, yes, and function, it is called, so method is sorry, functions of me is called methods. Okay, next, it is in computer only. Now next one we will see class. Till now we are talking about objects, different types of objects, and it has state and behavior or function. Okay, even computer, sorry, software also same. Next one is class. Next one is class. A class represent a group of objects of the same kind. Simple example, if it is offline class, of I am taking class only for one group of students, that is belongs to, or students belongs to 8th standard, is it? Any 6th standard students are joined in this class? No. Class means a similar people, or the purpose is same for all the students those who are attending this class. Same way, a class represents a group of objects in the same mankind, sorry, same kind. Example, cars means Bolero car, Swift car, and what's a Renault car, Logan, or yeah, there are, yeah, you are saying all the names. So these all are cars, and the almost okay, 99 objects and the behavior are same. Cars means cars. There are different varieties of car, but still class is one. Same way, or in other words, we can say that the objects are considered as members of class. Members of class. Okay, like 8th standard. One example we will see. The first example, same thing from the textbook only. Class vehicle. Vehicle. Okay. Car also vehicle, bike also vehicle, and bus also vehicle or truck, etc. are the members of class vehicle. Is it correct? Car also vehicle. So which is the class here? Vehicle is the class. Car also class, bike also class, bus also, and truck also. And what are the object in this class? Car is one object, bike is another object, bus and truck. Clear? This is class and these are objects. Yes. And if I say, if I add here one refrigerator, I add a refrigerator here in this class vehicle? No. because it's a state and behavior are totally different. I hope you understood. Yes, you are getting the point. All the vehicles have the same properties and the common behavior, common. It is not same. It is not written there same exact behavior, exact properties. No, see here, this object, no, but common behavior, function is same. Traveling, carrying. Yes, exactly. Good. They have wheels, power, engine, and fuel or like that are used for transportation. Even we compare two different cars of the same brand, they are also different objects as they can be differentiated on the basis of their registration number. Correct? No, registration numbers are different. Example, Maruti Alto, it's a one class. And you see here in Karnataka, one registration, and in other state, other registration, or in Karnataka itself, Chitraduga, one registration, start with another number, or what else, some Hiriyur. Okay, so with that one, you see here, what is the class here? Maruti Alto. And with the registration number is different. So there may be little differences, but the functions are same. Can I add a object bike? Okay, BMW bike in this class Maruti Alto? Exactly, not possible because that is totally different. State also different. Even functions are similar, but yes, in this class is not possible. Okay, clear. Then I will ask after this point, I will ask the doubts. Okay, if it isn't there. If you consider the Maruti Alto as a class, then all models of Maruti Alto with their different registration numbers can be considered as its objects. Okay, that is the object. Similarly, an apple, banana, and orange are considered as, okay, I'm stopping here. Yes, exactly. It is, okay, it is shown here. Class fruit. So this is class fruit. Correct? No? Yes, class fruit we will add. Which are the objects in this class? Apple, banana, orange. Yeah. Can I add bicycle here? No. It is totally different. Yes, fruits. Then a class may be regarded as a blueprint to create objects. It's a blueprint. Okay, that is called object. It defines data and function common to all objects of that certain kind. Like all the cars, functions of all the cars are same. Okay, so like that one. Fruits, same. A class consists of two aspects, variables and functions. Again, variables and function. Already last time I said that one in the object also. Variable, which will change. Function means it's a method or what is a function or the uses, okay, works, everything. The variables form the state of an object and the functions of the class use these variables to perform various operations. So variables form the state of object. Okay, state of object. So variable, function, method, everything. So we start the programs. I will explain. Thus, the functions form the behavior of an object. Good behavior, bad behavior, whatever it is, it shows behavior. That means that may be error or correct answer. That is not a matter. Okay, if you write a wrong program, you will get error, but you will get the answer. Once a class is defined, we can create any number of objects belonging to that class that share the common state and behavior. As I told, in the Maruti Alto, if we cannot add a BMW car in here, no, because same kind. That is called class. Hence, a class is known as the factory that produces similar objects like 8th standard. Only 8th standard students are sitting and listening in my class. Correct, no? And who are the objects? You are the objects. Not only you. I am using laptop. Laptop is object. You are using mobile. Your mobile is another object. And your houses, that is another object. You are sitting there. See, okay, hope you clear this concept. An object belongs to a particular class is called an instances of the class. Okay, so each object like you, me, laptop, or what else, this video or my text, your textbooks, okay, belong, this object belongs to particular class, so all belong to 8th standard. So this each object in this class is called a instance of the class. Instance in computer language we'll say instance of the class. No, we'll not say objects, we'll say instance of the class. Please underline these all things. Okay, instance of the class. Actually 2-3 points you have to underline. Okay, I skip, let it be there. Yes. Okay, so it is clear, object and a class. Okay, I'll stop sharing, then I will go to next point. Hope class and object, look, come back. So I will take only one more point, that is I will open the Java BlueJ program and I will show what is happening there. Yes, okay. So I hope the difference of class and object is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, class. Yes, class and object. Good. Okay, then we will go to the next portion, the practical one. This is a theory. Now it is about the practical one. How we can use BlueJ and how we can write a small program like writing welcome notes. Or after that, if time allows, I will use BlueJ to type our name. Okay, so I'll go. I'm not wasting time. Screen share. Yes. Okay, now we will see starting BlueJ. Already last class I explained the same thing. Those who install in laptop or computer. Okay, laptop or computer, those who install, please go through your YouTube and you will get it. Let us learn the programming in the BlueJ environment. Okay, so one software where we can use Java. Click on start and all programs, then BlueJ. BlueJ. Okay, so here, if it is in a Windows 7 and all, it is the procedure. If it is other way, it is depend on your laptop or computer. Yes, how to install already I said. Then double click on the icon. See, this is the icon. Okay, if you double click, you will get it after installing. Then this is the page after you double click on that one. First screen appear for the moment, followed by the BlueJ working environment screen. Working environment screen. Then creating a Java program. We are going to create a Java program in BlueJ. Create a new program in BlueJ software. There are different softwares, okay, but we are using BlueJ for 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard in Don Bosco ICC school, Chitradurga. Okay, if we go some other school, they are using some, no. But here we follow for board exam, we registered for BlueJ, okay, for 10th standard board exam. Okay, so if you are installing a laptop and computer, no problem, it will continue with the 9th and 10th standard. Continue it. Okay, we are going to create. So what do you have to do? First one, click on the project menu. Then what next? A pop-up menu appears. Here, select the new project option from it. You will find the new project dialog box on the screen. See here. The next, define the project name. Let us say ICSE, which will store the files for this project. Here, then click on the create button here down, move the next screen. Then after going, you will get another screen. Now click on the new class option here. The BlueJ create new class dialog box appears here. See here, and define the class name. Welcome. In the what is the name? You can give any name. Click OK. Click on OK. After clicking OK, you will get another screen like this, as shown in the figure. You see the figure in the textbook. Yes. The class named welcome. What is the name of the class? welcome created and its icon appears on the BlueJ ICSC window. So welcome is the class. The class name is welcome and the project name is ICSC. Look here, look here, look here, please. The project name. So example, there is one project of going picnic. Okay, and teachers groups are there. One class, teachers class and students class. And the those who are agents, those who are taking us to picnic or a tour. And vehicles, that is another class that we are traveling in different vehicles, train, bus, or different vehicles. And like that, all together, what is our project? Tour or picnic. Okay, got it? So same way, our project is ICSC, and in that one class is welcome. One class. You can create many classes. Okay, yes. Double click on the welcome class icon. So I will get a sample program here. The program code window appears as shown in this figure. See here in the figure. Then what do you have to do? If you want to write a program, then opening this program, select the program code by pressing Ctrl plus A and delete the program code by pressing either delete key or backspace key. Please understand this one. Underline, very important. When you open one class, by default there is a sample problem will be there, one program. So plus Control A, underline Control A for what? Select all. Then either press delete key or backspace key. Okay, delete or backspace key. Then now type a new program in this program code window. Okay, you can type there some programs here, some typing it is going on there. Yes, see here, arguments system. Yes, completed the program. Yes, we have completed one program. So how to write, what to write, everything I will explain in the class, but just a starting or explaining Java in BlueJ. Okay, now we will explain of the steps in the program, simple way. Okay, in detailed way we will explain later. Yes, first one, statement number one, like algorithm. Okay, algorithm. Yes, statement number one. That is the important of algorithm and programming and all. Okay, yes. First statement is comment about the program. So this is a program. This is a comment. Okay. Some are coughing. Good, no problem. You are getting bored. It's a significance, or what is that? You're signifying, or you are indicating that, sir, I am getting tired, boring. Okay, is it? But I'll finish soon. I'll finish. Okay.
Sir, page number 57 is not there, sir.
Page number
57.
without 57, it will not go to 58, no, baby. But the continuation of the class I am taking. Okay. Otherwise, you will go to some other world and you will have to come back, bringing you very difficult. It's not an offline class. Bringing back. So continuous class I am taking means the continuous concepts. Okay. So program one. Good question. Thank you. So program. It's a, see here. This is a statement. What is it? Comment. Okay. And next one also another command. Command means comments you are writing now about what? Yes, this is a program, and this is my first program in Java. Okay, just statement. What is that? Comments you are writing, first and second. Next one is public class welcome. Specify that the name of the class is welcome. Name of the class name. So how to write everything, syntax, everything I'll teach you next. I told no, just giving and starting BlueJ. We started with the introduction. That's why I'm continuing with this concept. Okay, why? What is public? Why we are writing class? Why this is capital letter? Don't worry, everything I will explain in the coming class. Yes. Okay. Class. This is the name of the class. Yes. Then what is next? Then bracket. Okay. This bracket statement 4 is a curly brace to indicate what it indicates. Beginning of the class. Okay. Properties and the methods associated with this class. Okay. Class name. Comments you are done. This is the class name, and the class, what is there in the class, like objects and everything. Yes, that is started from this brace, curly brace. Okay, then statement 5, defines the basic attributes of the class. Basic attributes. Okay, each one has its own meaning. I'll say later. Second, the sixth one is a brace to indicate that the main body of the program begins from this point. Okay, it's started from this. What is the function? Okay. Statement number 7 prints the message on the screen. Printing. This is the syntax, or what is the statement to get the printout. Then what else? Statement number 8 closes the corresponding brace specified into 6. That is, we are closing the statement. Okay. Then what is the last one? We are closing the class. Okay. Yes, stop. This is fourth. We open, that we are closing. Here we start and stop. Class we start, we stop here. Clear about this one? Yeah, just one idea you can repeat and see. Structure of Java program. So we will explain the next point, structure of Java program. I will read out which lines I have. Is a very important structure of Java. Which points I am going to say that you please underline. Okay, it is only 9:36. Okay, 9:36. Okay, I also watching the time because I am getting what is that, throat pain and voice problem and all. No, yes, it's okay. Okay, the Java program is made up of following parts comparing to the last program which we created. Comments already we said. Okay, the text within slash asterisk, it is called asterisk. Last year we learned 6th standard. After double slash is treated as the command and is generated by the computer. Here too. These both are used for writing commands. Okay, what is the difference of these both? We will see. A single line commands begins with the, see here, if it's a single line command, whereas a command block starts with backslash and asterisk and end with the asterisk and a backslash. Okay, the two backslash, it is for only single line is there. So if I write the command of these 2 lines, then which symbol we will use? Exactly this one. Okay, start with the backslash and asterisk and write the comments, these 2 lines. Then last, what you have to do? Again, asterisk and backslash. Clear? So these are the, yes, these are the two ways you can write the comments. The class keyword declared the program's name. So here, class. It indicates that we are going to create a new class. We are going to create a new class. For example, welcome is the name of the class. Here is the way in the above program, is it? We have seen welcome. Then name of the Java program must match with the class name. So here it should start with the class name. I know something is going on in your mind, correct? No? What is a main? Single method used in the welcome class is called main. Main is a method. Please underline. Main is a method. Underline. Main is a method. And in the comments you underline asterisk and that one. Yes. Main is a method. Underline. This is the place from where program's execution begins with the class is executed. Okay. Then the main is a function is defined is being public static with the void return type. So main, if you underline, this is very important. If you use, because in the next class, not today's class, next class, when I type this program, you have to keep in mind. If you use main method, then we have to use the void return type. Once again, if you are using main method, we have to use void return. Void is a return type. Okay, void. Main and void. See here in the program, you see void main, it coming together. Yes. So void is a method and main is coming. In the above program, the main method contains one statement, that is system.out.println. Okay, that is to output, to get the output. What is a public? Public is a keyword. Keyword means it's given by the computer. Indicates that method can be called from anywhere inside or outside the class. Okay, what is inside calling and everything? Good. You are get confusing. Correct? No? Yes, keyword. What is keywords? This all I'll explain in the next topics. Okay. Then void. Void already told. Void is a Java keyword which signifies that the function will not return any result except the text that we enter in the state printout statement. Very important. Underline. Void is a return type. Please underline. Void is a return type which returns nothing. What you put in double inverted comma, that only it will come there. I will show you. Okay, void. So I'm stopping fast, then I will show these all things. String arg. The last part of this statement, here you see string arg. Yes, we have to use, conclude with that one. It is also called command line arguments. It's also called command line argument, where arg is an array that is set of string objects that represents arguments or parameters passed on to the class at the time of execution. The execution time, it will work. Yes. Okay, so let us know more using what? Exactly, the program. Yes, what is this one? Is not the command lines string arg can be used in both the ways. String args or and strings here, the two methods. Sometimes you sir, tuition teacher taught me like this one, or then teachers are taught in another way. So here the program you can write in different way. So okay, no problem. But syntax should be same. Syntax should be same. String and bracket args you can write, or string args bracket. Okay, and some program we will not use this at all. Okay, system.out.println. This is one statement which we get the output of system.out.println. See here, it is used to print any message or result on the terminal screen. Okay, terminal means where is the result. Any text written in double quotes here, double inverted comma, double quotes, as it is, it will print. Anything written without quotes is treated as a program component, and its value will be printed. These two lines, please underline. Very important. Very important. What is that? Yes, if what we write in double inverted comma in the print system.out.println, it will show as it is. Otherwise, we will get the value. Okay, that please underline. What is it in there? We can use the plus symbol. It is not a plus symbol. Yes, combine two or more items in a single line. Please underline this one. This plus symbol. This symbol in Java is called concatenation. Concatenate. Please say concatenate. Concatenate.
Concatenate.
Yes. So this is in Java program. It is not a plus symbol in this statement. In this statement. But here A plus B means don't say A concatenate B. Okay. Only in system.out.println statement, if we use this plus symbol, that symbol is called concatenate. Got it? Don't consider in Java every word plus symbol is called concatenate. No. A plus B, that means A plus B only. Plus symbol, add additional symbol. But in this system.out.println then that is called concatenate. Okay, compiling. So after writing program, what you will do? Compile. These 2 points you underline. Yes, I am not reading everything. I will brief it because time is up. I will go to the program. So page number 60, compiling and running. Please underline. Statement to machine level code. Underline. Statement to machine level code. As I told, computer can understand this high level language. This high level language you can't, computer can understand. Correct? No? Yes, computer can understand only zeros and ones. So what they had to do, we are compiling, clicking on this button. Clicking on this, but after writing the program, you click on compile button. So what is the use of the compiling? It will find if there is an error. Yes, underline that one. No syntax errors here. If there is any error after clicking on compile button, if any errors are there, so it will show here. Look here, class compile, no syntax errors. If any errors are there, it will show here. Number one, here there is an error. Here there is an error. Okay, how many errors are there? It will show, and it have to correct it. Then only, in case any errors are there, remove that. Okay, if there is an error, then you will get the final result of the answer. Okay, yeah, that is the function of compile. Then after compiling, what you have to do? Double click. You are going to run and void main, because we have created a void main. So void main, click on the void main string, okay, which is there in the program. Click on that one. There you type what is the program you are writing there. Okay, click on OK. Already have welcome, we have written there. Click on OK button. Yes, nothing to change here. Click on OK button, you will get the result of that one. So I hope your output will be there. This is the output, terminal window. Okay, terminal window. After compiling, you run, then you will get this terminal window. You will get the output. So where will get the output? In the terminal window. Okay, so it is enough and more. I'm sure that till now patiently you are listening me. I hope it is 9:46. Okay, I will open BlueJ. I will write one or two programs. Then I will stop. Okay, I will stop that one. Please cooperate. Okay, with that one I will stop. So again, share screen. I will go to here, not for theory part, not for theory parts. I'm going here. BlueJ already I installed there. This here top, and double click, and BlueJ will open. Then what is that? First one, we have to write your name. Okay, so BlueJ 4.2. I am using version 4.2.1. Okay, Oracle company, BlueJ. It will take little time. Yes. Okay. Then if you open the BlueJ, already here there are many are created. Yes. So I will create another one. So what do you have to do? Click on, after this one, click on new class. Here you see new class. Project. What is the project name? Standard 8. Look here, standard 8 project name. There are many classes are there. Still I am creating new classes. Okay, what is that? Eighth name. Name of 8. Okay, name of 8. What is this one? Class name. And click on class. Okay, click on OK button. See, class is created here. Class is created. Yes, class is created. Bigger one. Class is created. Yes. Then what is next step? Double click on the class. Which class you need? When you double click, you will get, this is the class name of 8, and the programs are the default program. So what you have to do? Select control plus A, select all, and either click backspace or delete. Then I am going to start. This is my first program. So how I will write? This is my first program. Which one? Yes. Yes. Is that why I am writing like this one? Okay. Yes. Exactly. Comments. Okay. This is my first program. Okay. Program. Then what is next one? I am starting. What I am starting? Public class name of 8. No, you can't give any space there. Okay, name of 8. Okay, name of 8. I will give 8 because you have to differentiate the class and this one. Enter. Then open the class. And what you'll write again? Public. Then static. Sorry. Static void. If you use void, then return type. Main means void. Yes, main bracket string. Okay, I'm not typing these all things. I will open the other one. Okay, already I created that my name. Otherwise, it will go time. Going on typing. See here. So my name here. What is that? Comment side in right. You can write the statement. Okay, something you are typing there. Welcome. Name, welcome name. name. Okay, welcome name. So here and here it is the void main and system dot out dot main. Okay, so instead of that one here, I didn't type that one. I will type for you this time. What is that? String args. Again. String dot arg. So here it is there. Yes, and system dot print. Then Don Bosco have written there. Don Bosco. After typing program, go to compile. Compiling is finished. You can close or minimize and come here, right click and do main string and click on okay. See here, Don Bosco. Result you see here, Don Bosco. Got it? Suppose I am typing here, I am again, I want to edit, come back, double click, the program came, then I write there, yes, full address I am writing there. So what happened there? Yes, everything will come, compile, and come back and right click, use and click on OK. So you will get here again Don Bosco, old Don Bosco here, and again Don Bosco, everything in single line. Who can read these all things? So we use what we use again, double click and we use print ln. Ln means next line. Ln. Okay, ln. Last line, no need. Okay. Then again you have to compile. Is there any error? No error. Then compile. Again use right click, void main, click on OK. Now you see here, Don Bosco in the first line and 8th A, Chitradurga here, different line. Got it? Yes. Same way I'm stop sharing. So dear children, come back. So 52 minutes I have taken there, but it is very important. It is very important. That's why I have taken in a one within 1 hour. Otherwise, you will get the you lose the connection from where you stop further. So everything it is in the video. Okay, please go through that one. And today question answer, that PDF, all the answer I will send. Only write question, answer the following. Only answer the following. Take the new page, how to write the first page and all. Already it is there. Take a new page and write name, chapter 5 and chapter name, BlueJ and all, today's date, and write question, answer, leave one line. Question, answer, leave one line, like that. Neatly, please write. Only 4 question answer you write and learn. Only 4 question. It is every answer is there in the PDF. No need to write. Only 4 question answers. Okay, first 4 question answers write in the notebook neatly and please learn. And when you get the free time, you can refer my old YouTube links about the Java, or you will get plenty of, I see even Dilip sir's also. Oh, Lija sir is a okay, Dilip sir good, or some other teacher, some very nice, very professors, college professors are created their YouTube link about Java in BlueJ, Java in BlueJ. You can refer anything, but only one thing is that please learn. Okay, it is up to 10th standard board exam. It will cling on to you. It will cling to you. Okay, so please once again read the textbook, underline one and see. And though please, if it is possible, do the practical in computer and laptop, not in mobile, not possible. Thank you. Anything is there now? We can ask the doubts here. I'm switching on the mic.
Sir?
Anything doubts are there? You can ask. Otherwise, I'll
Sir?
wind up. Yeah.
Sir, in comments, we should not close the comments, sir.
So there are 2 types of comments. There are 2 types of comments. One is, yes, if it is a single line, we use 2 backslash. So that need not to close. If there are 1 line comment, that is, this is a 8th standard class, very good, and they are asking very good question or doubts, and they are clearly very good boys and girls. So there are 2-3 lines of comments. Then which symbols we will use? Backslash, asterisk. Then after that, how many lines? 3 lines are there, comments. Then end with the again asterisk and backslash. Clear the 2 comments?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If it is 2-3 lines, we use the first one, or if it is on a single line, okay, this is a simple program, only in single line. So we use double backslash, no need of ending there. So please, this all practice, please. I told no 8th standard you have to do some practical things. It is not to this year. I told no. If you get little idea, I'm not. I'm offing this one. Okay, yes, 50 minutes. The recording is going on. Okay, recording I stop. Recording I stop. Okay, so because no, see, babies really every year 10th standard we are getting out of minimum 3 to 5. This year many minimum 3 to 5 surely, and majority will 99. Oh god, it is not this year. Okay, this year there was no exam. No, you think about 2 years back. So because no, that we are concentrate, that's why I'm taking only 4th and 5th chapter first. You will ask, what about first chapter, second chapter? I know. Okay, I will take, but important is very important is program. That's why I'm taking this class. Okay, thank you. Do it well. Okay, now 56, 4 minutes extra for your leisure time. Okay, enjoy well, prepare for the next class, and even do it this one. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.